Faster, easier, and better. We can all relate to that, can't we? Well, stay tuned. We're going to talk to you about how you can stay in the know while gaining an edge on your next project. So what is the Contractor Club? Well, as the name implies, it's for you, contractors, to keep you informed and updated with Armstrong services and solutions that help you from pre-construction planning to installation efficiencies. Whether you're an owner, an estimator, a project manager, superintendent, foreman, journeyman, or apprentice, this club is for you. Through monthly communication, you'll be one of the first to know about new solutions and product launches. You'll receive regular tips and tricks to help you on the job site. Throughout the year, there will be a chance to win limited edition swag, along with access to special events. Our Build It Better video series focuses on job site success stories across the U.S. from the contractor's point of view. Each month, we will bring you new success stories that can help you on your next project. Gather around the tailgate for tailgate talks, like you're watching right now. We know your time is important, so our brief monthly episodes review products and solutions that enhance your product knowledge in minutes. Get access to our installation expertise and drawing resource center to help with the specific details you need, along with the services to create specific shop drawings for your next project. And our ProjectWorks pre-construction services provide a complete takeoff package to bid, plan, and install your projects. It's totally complimentary and fast. It's not a secret club, so let's get you signed up. It's easy. Just go to armstrongceilings.com/contractors and hit the sign up button in the middle of the screen. By joining, you'll receive our monthly videos and solutions to keep you in the know. When completing the form, simply check off the appropriate box and provide your shirt size to receive your free Armstrong swag. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the club.